How does that portable case look from your end?
So I received the case from the technology unit. We call it a portable case. It's on, in this circumstance, it was on a hard drive, like a portable hard drive. And I plug it into the computer. I can open the program on my desktop, and then I can review the data that was on the device.
Okay. And is that program pretty user-friendly?
Extremely user-friendly, yes.
Is there any training provided in order to use it?
There's no training required to read a portable case. I have taken training to create portable cases and to extract cell phones myself. I didn't do that in this case, but the portable case it's very user-friendly.
Okay. So were you able to review any text messages from Mr. Ferlazzo's phone to Emily's phone between the time she was killed and the time she was located?
Yes.
Were there any messages sent from Emily's phone to Joseph's phone during that time period?
No, all of the messages were sent from Joseph's phone to Emily.
I'm going to show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 18. Four pages. Do you recognize this?
Yes, I do.
And can you tell the jury what this is?
These are the messages that were observed, from Joseph's phone within that portable case that were sent to Emily's phone number.
State seeks to admit 18.
Any objection to?
No objection.
18 is admitted without objection.
She's talking. I'm going home to get home.
Detective Sergeant Forrest, can you just read the messages to the jury and the date and time they were sent?
Yes. October 16th, 2021 at 1:09 and 58 seconds p.m. Message sent, babe. On October 16th, 2021 at 1:20:49 p.m. Message sent, what are you doing? Talk to me, please. On October 16th, 2021 at 1:52:47 p.m. The message was sent that read, where are you, lovey? I wanted to ride with you today. On October 16th, 2021, at 2:02:18 p.m., the message was sent that read, I'm at the Langs, call me. On October 16th, 2021, at 2:02:47 p.m., message sent, the tranny on the bus is smoking, with a emoji. On October 16th, 2021, at 2:57:18 p.m., message was sent, whatever, I'm going to spend time with Nikki while I can, call me. On October 16th, 2021, at 8:09:48 p.m., WTF, babe. On October 17th, 2021, at 8:45:24 a.m., message read, good morning, Bubby. I miss you. Please call me. Nikki just messaged me. You want to meet up in Burlington for some snacks and whatnot. On October 17th, 2021, at 2:03:02 p.m., the message read, hello, question mark, question mark. On October 17th, 2021, at 8 p.m., the message was sent that read, please, M, pick up. On October 17th, 2021, at 8:12:12 p.m., message 2 emojis were sent. On October 18th, 2021, at 12:05:48 a.m., the message read, this is far enough. Get your ass home. I gotta go back to NH. Are you coming back? On October 18th, 2021, at 12:05:48 a.m., I believe that's the same message I just read. On October 18th, 2021, at 1:05:36 a.m., Random question, where is the extension cord? I want to plug the fan in. October 18th, 2021 at 9:06:19 a.m. Good morning, baby, with an emoji. On October 18th, 2021 at 10:25:51 a.m. You're an asshole. I don't deserve this shit.
Is that all of the messages that were sent?
I believe so, yes.
Ms. Jantz, any cross?
Yes, thank you, Judge. Morning, Detective Sergeant Voris.
Good morning.
On October 19th, the day Mr. Ferlazzo was interrogated by you and Detective Richardson, Spencer Lemons had already contacted the police through the 911 call and relayed to the police information that he had saying that Mr. Ferlazzo admitted to killing Emily. Isn't that right?
Yes,
And on October 19th, police were actively looking for Mr. Ferlazzo, correct?
yes,
And Amy Nolan, who was at that time a member of the Vermont State Police, by happenstance encountered him in St. Albans and Maple Fields. Is that also correct?
yes,
And she drove him in her truck back to the St. Albans barracks of Vermont State Police, correct?
yes,
From the time that he arrived at the Vermont State Police barracks in St. Albans, he was never outside the presence of someone from law enforcement, correct?
I believe there were times where he was alone, like in the interview room, by himself. At points during the interaction.
Was he under observation through a two-way mirror at times when he was alone in the interview room?
That room doesn't have a two-way mirror. No,
Does not.
no, it does not.
Okay. Okay. At any point, was he free to leave?
He was probably not free to leave.
So we can agree that he was in custody during the time he was at the Vermont State Police barracks, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So how long did you say you have been with the Vermont State Police?
Since January of 2014.
And prior to that, your law enforcement experience was what?
I have no prior law enforcement experience.
Okay. You did graduate from the Vermont Police Academy, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And at the academy, you were told and given instructions on how to interrogate/interview a suspect, correct?
There was a class on interviews and interrogations, yes.
And you learned through your instruction and subsequently, I'm assuming through experience, what